Welcome to Larnaka International Airport. My name is Aligi. I'm a soprano and I love to travel. I have lived, worked and sang all over the world, but this is my home, Cyprus. She may seem a little bit small, but please don't underestimate her. I'm going to show you just how much life you can squeeze into 72 hours on this island. In the times of the Bronze Age, Cyprus was one of the richest countries in the known world due to its copper mines. This salt lake was a buzzing trading port, and the sea a bridge between three continents. Pafos mosaics are considered among the finest and most well-preserved in the Mediterranean. There is always something to discover here, something new to see, to feel, and to love. What I love about Cyprus is that it's true to its history and traditions, but also it is a modern and thriving nation with one of the fastest growing economies in Europe. The capital Nicosia is now the center of culture, knowledge and innovation. Do you want to know why I left New York to come to Cyprus? Because here I can be spontaneous. I can come up for fresh air to enjoy the green mountains just an hour from the beach, to enjoy nature or adventure. Carob trees are so characteristic of the Cypriot landscape. Until the 1940s, carob was considered the black gold of this island. It was even exported to Hollywood for the production of celluloid film. A lovely picnic wine. Cyprus is filled with fragrances, the smell of blossoms, wheat fields, pine trees, and the smell of salty sea breeze. Each scent stores a myriad of memories. This is one of the 64 blue flag beaches on this island. You can enjoy pure summer bliss exploring the clear blue sea, whether you seek adventure or peace, relaxing on the beach with your book and a margarita. This is definitely as close to paradise as it gets. We take food very seriously around here. A table is not just a table. You get to experience Cyprus with all your senses. It is a reason for you to connect. Our culture brings together the old with the new, the East with the West, the traditional experience and the modern vibrant nightlife. wedding of King Richard the Lionheart took place here in 1191, and now the castle area is one of my favorite dining spots.
I really enjoyed my time rediscovering my island in these past 72 hours. It's been such an adventure. Cyprus still surprises me, as I'm sure it will surprise you. It's like she puts on a new show for you each time, played out on its natural playgrounds, on its beaches and its mountains, on its ancient stage and under its bright city lights. You will think of her when you go.
And now our journey has come to an end.